Wants to know what I get up to when I'm at the cottage. It's, believe it or not, October 26th, and pretty good when you have to put sunscreen on in October.
Anyways, this is for Stellar Day, and I do apologize in advance for
the overweight seal look, but it is end of October. So we just launched, and launching is never easy, especially if it's windy. And yeah, especially if there's only one. Yeah, but that wasn't too bad. Sails up. We're just putting the mainsail up. But yeah, it's things are going good. Mainsail, and then that'll come around. And that'll catch. So now again, we have a piece of land here. It's going to be faster and rougher and crazier, so less filming really, but make a good time. Except we got nowhere to go. We're just zipping around. So yeah. Anyways, I'm listening to Howard Stern, so I'll get back to that. Get after the jokes. The sun was out at the beginning, but we've lost the sun a bit. But we might get another. This is how we do it here at Sea Happens. It's quiet. Looks like some rain maybe coming our way. Hi guys, SuperDave here. I think I'm gonna make a sailing video today. Especially when you gotta wear your son's wetsuit. That's what I'm wearing, folks. I don't think he knows I'm wearing it. But yeah, you kind of have to wear this, or if you do fall in, you die of hypothermia. So thanks, son, you're saving my life. I know you I know you wouldn't want it any other way, right? It is a birdhouse.